So this is how I list 10 times faster on eBay using Snap to List, software I've made for eBay sellers. So this is our dashboard. We have a couple boxes to optimize your eBay selling, but the main concern for this video is the crate listing tool, and you can also try out the other tools which will help you. So once you're at the crate listing tool, before you get started, you do want to read this and configure your fulfillment policy, payment, return, and inventory location, which can be done in the settings page. And I also have a video to help you set up. So once that's done, to get the best result, we will need up to 3 images, and you can read this for best results. So I do have this item here. I have no idea what it is. I just picked it up, took pictures, and now I'm just gonna upload these pictures on Snap to List. And this will be much faster in production. For now, I'm just showing you guys in development mode, and this should be live by the end of the month. Uh, as for like some of the features, so now if you click Analyze Images and Generate, this will take 2 credits. And you also have this Translate Title and Description, which is for other marketplaces rather than eBay, and it will just translate the title and description for you guys. So if you click Generate here, just wait a little bit. It'll be faster as you keep using it. So now we have a 4-step form on the left side, and on the right side we have some things we could reference. So we have the title, description, and we can also view the images as needed and also generate keywords. So for the form, we have the title and description auto-generated, and we just want to make sure this is all correct, and I know it is correct. I'm gonna take this new out, and I'm just gonna generate some keywords. Since it is 52 out of 80, we could put golf club, we could put, and we could just use something like this, remove that, and make it out of 80 since eBay requires 80 characters. Description, I'm gonna leave the same. And for the drop down for category, you can't see in the video, but it gives you suggestions of the best categories to use. And I always click the first one, which is always correct. And in this case, it's going to be sporting goods, golf clubs, and equipments, and golf clubs. And then from here, we have condition, which you get to choose a different condition. And if we were to use used, we'll see this condition description where we could pick a description and save one for later. As this is new, I'm going to keep it to new. And then this price suggestion is smart pricing feature for Snap to List, and it gives you all the active market data for this similar to this item. And this will be being upgraded by the end of the month, and so is the condition, which gives you better options for conditions based on the category. So now, and also this add shipping details will be added in the next update. So if I do click add shipping details, you could add your package weight and package dimensions. But for now, I'm just going to skip that. And we forgot to add the SKU. And for the SKU, we could just generate one in this case. Click next. And then item aspects. Most of these are auto-filled sometimes, but if they're not, it'll give you suggestions to as you type. So Tommy, armor, just select this one. And the golf type is wedge. So we do wedge. And we just select that wedge. And that is selected, and since we could select more than one, it'll give you that option as well depending on the category. So if we click next now, I already have my fulfillment policy set up, and I can also choose different types, and I'm seeing them auto-filled because I saved them previously in my settings page, so it's faster timing to list. And if I do click next, it will process all this information. And like I said, it is faster in production mode. And from here, we're in step 4 where we rearrange the images and we create the listing or save it to our drafts where we schedule later on. So I do want this to be the first image. and the wedge as the second, the wedge head as the second and third. And for the rest, we can leave as is. I do want this over here. And once you are done, you click create listing and this will create the listing. And this has saved me so many hours, and all of the users using this have also saved many hours. So if we do click view on eBay, we shall see this listing exactly as we created it. And also one major thing is the item aspects right now gives you recommended, but in the next update, which is coming soon, it'll have the optional ones too. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. If you guys want to try it out, you could try it out at snap2list.com and I'll have it in the description somewhere. And you can start for free. As you can see, you can start for free. You get 10 credits per month. And like I said, each tool uses a credit.